Hello everyone, today we have with us a special phone from iQOO, which is the first Neo series phone in India. You guessed it right. It is the iQOO Neo 6 5G, which is the highest rated smartphone in this segment. So let's get started. Starting with its processor, this phone comes with a Snapdragon 870 5G processor, which is highly stabilized with an ANTUTU score of 740,000 plus. Can you believe that? This is exactly what makes this phone optimal for a smooth gaming experience. The high performance of this phone is its highlight. It can easily be used for video editing, multitasking and heavy applications. You can play games on it for hours and no heating issues or performance downgrade. See, this phone is packed with an impressive battery of 4700 mAh and it comes with an 80-watt flash charger. What it means for you is that you only need 12 minutes to charge the phone for 50% battery, and in 32 minutes, it will be backed up for the full entire percentage, going for 1 day's backup. No more missing your game sessions, huh? Compared to a 66-watt flash charger, this seems to be a huge attraction in this price range. Talking about the display, just look at it. Neo 6 has a 6.62-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Its E4 AMOLED display consumes 30% less power than an E3, supporting the battery life. Can you imagine that? Neo 6 comes with a 64 megapixels plus 8 megapixels plus 2 megapixels in the rear camera, as well as 16 megapixels in the front camera. It also supports 4K video recording at 60 FPS. See guys, it's a good camera for this price range. With a color boost and image processing, it produces outcomes even in the wide angle and low light modes. The OIS support ensures stable images. The colors look natural and sharp. Its 36,907mm² cascade cooling system creates a lag-free gaming experience, guys. And it makes it easy to hold the phone while gaming as well. The 4D game vibration with an X-axis motor gives a real gaming experience by identifying vibration scenarios. The iQOO Neo 6 5G has all the best features needed to be the best phone in the gaming environment. Good looks built with a nice gradient color, as you can see. Its Snapdragon 870 5G processor, 80-watt flash charging and a 64MP OIS main camera makes it one of the best phones in this category. And of course, if you are a gamer, you already know it is a great pick. Thank you for watching.
iQOO.